So many small business owners focus on that upfront sticker price or the monthly payment when they're looking at trucks. But what gets missed is what those vehicles really cost over their whole life. Enter total cost of ownership, or TCO.
That's the thing, right? TCO isn't just some finance buzzword, it's the real sum of everything you put into a truck, from fuel to insurance to what you'll actually get back when you finally sell it. It blows my mind how often folks overlook those day-to-day running costs, thinking their biggest expense was just the down payment.
Exactly. And what people don't always realize is that those low monthly payment deals can hide bigger fees or restrictions later. Sometimes paying a bit more each month with an open-end lease actually gives you the flexibility you need, especially when the unexpected happens.
It's easy to get tunnel vision on those shiny, low numbers, but you can end up paying more overall. And for owners with just a handful of trucks, every dollar really counts. That actually leads me to how tracking TCO can be a total game changer as your fleet grows.
As you move from 3 to 10 or even more vehicles, relying on instinct just doesn't cut it. Gut feel starts to let you down because the numbers get complicated fast.
I've seen that firsthand. When you add more trucks, small leaks in cost tracking turn into big holes. TCO actually helps you spot which vehicles are turning into money pits and when it's smarter to replace one instead of repairing it yet again.
Plus, it gives you real ammo for those upgrade decisions. Like, say you're eyeing a truck with better fuel economy or new safety features. TCO lets you put an actual number to the long-term savings. Suddenly, that fancy safety tech isn't just nice to have, but a way to cut costs down the road.
And don't forget, comparing new and used trucks isn't just about the sticker anymore. When you bake in all the repairs and fuel, sometimes that used truck isn't the bargain it looks like on day one.
Here's something I love. You don't need an MBA to start tracking TCO. It can be as simple as a spreadsheet. Just track cost per mile fuel, repairs, insurance per truck, and you can start comparing apples to apples, even if your routes or payloads are totally different.
Last week, we got stuck on this exact issue. 2 trucks doing similar jobs, but one was chewing through tires and fuel twice as fast. Without tracking cost per mile, we'd never have spotted that. It really pays to group your trucks by make, model, and what kind of work they're doing.
And keep an eye out for that tipping point when repairs and downtime start stacking up. It might be cheaper to get a new truck, even if the payment's higher. If your next couple years of repair bills will top what a newer truck would cost, that's your signal.
Honestly, scheduling big repairs before they turn into roadside emergencies is another win. Your own records are gold for predicting when those ugly costs are coming. And like you said, a spreadsheet is way better than just guessing.
One of the biggest pushbacks I hear is, but that new truck means a bigger monthly payment. But if that newer unit is saving you $300 a month in repairs and fuel, isn't that worth a higher payment?
It flips the whole conversation, doesn't it? Instead of obsessing over the payment alone, you're thinking, what's my true cost to keep this truck earning money? Sometimes spending a little more upfront actually means you're saving in the long haul.
One trap I see is averaging costs across all your trucks. Those expensive outliers get hidden, and you miss problems. And those soft costs, like fewer accidents with better safety features or keeping drivers happy, really add up in TCO but get ignored way too often.
Totally just waiting to track until you have fancy software is another mistake. Even jotting down your numbers in a simple spreadsheet gets you ahead. This month, why not baseline each vehicle mileage, last year's expenses, and recent repairs? It's a small step, but it'll show you exactly which units need attention.
Once you've got that, you can tag your trucks, which ones to extend, which ones to plan on replacing, and which need to go now. When you quote for new vehicles, ask for prices that match your real needs, including upfits, and always compare them to what it costs to keep your current trucks running.
When you start treating vehicle decisions as strategy instead of guesswork, the savings are real. If you're feeling overwhelmed, even a quick consultation can help you find hidden ways to keep your fleet making money instead of draining it.